Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Martinez. Right now I'm going to show you how to bring a Google Slides presentation, assign it to your students so that your students can go in and edit and complete this Google Slides project. So right now I've got a Google Classroom open. This is just my test classroom. And what I'm going to do is click on the classwork tab and I'm going to go to create. And when I go to create, I'm going to make this an assignment. And this Google Slides project that I'm going to do is a digital portfolio. So I'm just going to type the title. This is all about me, digital portfolio. I could type in my instructions if I'm ready to. These are all my options at the side. So due date, if I'm putting it under topic, and I could choose the classroom and my students. I'm going to assign it to all students, and I will click add, and I'm going to go to Google Drive, and then I'm going to navigate to the file. So right now I can go to recent because it's right here. So this is the file I'm going to be adding. Students can view file. I'm actually going to go to make a copy for each student. Now I'm going to click assign because I didn't change any other options. I don't need to worry about that right now. But absolutely, you change, your due date and the points it's worth, all of that. So I've assigned this to all my students. I don't actually have any students in my test classroom, but if I did, this would be assigned to all my students. So it's a very quick, simple process. When they click on this is what they're going to see. And now they can go in and they can edit their Google Slides. So this is an all about me presentation. And now I'm going to be able to learn all about me for each of my students.